Hi, I'm Maya Krieger. I'm half Dutch, half Singaporean Chinese, and I live on the Sunshine Coast with my darling 3-year-old son. I started studying science this year to better explain the mysteries of life to my son, who never stops asking. When I was 3 years old, I remember sitting at the breakfast table with a little porcelain cup and saucer, sipping tea with lemon and sugar in it. Drinking tea is a very intrinsic part of Asian culture, and naturally, it's a very important part of my life and has been for the last 35 years. Here is an actual theanine molecule. It consists of 7 carbon atoms, 14 hydrogen atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, and 3 oxygen atoms. All of the bonds within this molecule are polar covalent, with electronegativity sort of ranging between 0.35 to 1.24. And this molecule has 3 different geometrical shapes. The first is linear, where there's 180 degrees between bonds, and this happens once in the carboxyl group's tail, where the oxygen atom has 2 lone electron pairs, and this pushes the carbon and the hydrogen apart into a straight line. The second shape is trigonal planar. There's 120 degree angles between the 3 bonds, or actually in this case 4 bonds, as there's a double bond to the oxygen here in the carboxyl group, and also up here joining on to the nitrogen. The third and most prolific shape is tetrahedral. This has 109.5 degrees between the 4 bonds, and the remaining carbon atoms and the 2 nitrogen atoms all have a tetrahedral shape. However, the nitrogen atom has a lone electron pair, therefore it looks a little bit more like. People use theanine for treating anxiety, high blood pressure, and for preventing Alzheimer's disease, for making cancer drugs more effective. It balances wakefulness and sleep, anxiety and stress, alcohol in the liver, and fat and muscle, which is amazing. It's had significant clinical results for naturally calming and focusing the brain, and seems to center a mind that's often running around all over the place. How it helps me is it helps me to create a space between my thoughts and my emotions, and it teaches me to watch my menacing mind. Thank you. I hope you'll enjoy this.